Hi, Giddy Way lovers. So, guys, let's get
small
creative
and
a
fine.
bit.
Alright, Giddy Way lovers, welcome again to another episode of Trend with Giddy. So, guys, keep sharing, keep practicing. Practicing is very, very important. And please look at the comment section. You see a link. That link will take you to our beginners class. We'll be teaching you from scratch, fabric, about how to start your Gele business, what to do, what not to do. Alright, guys. So, to our today's style, it's going to be a very unique style. I'm going to start tying it like a form of a bow tie. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take little. Let me not stress. I'm going to take little, just little. And this is a 75 Gele. I'm going to take little, 75 Gele 3-layer. Just make my pleats, make my pleats, make my pleats, make my pleats. You understand? So I've made the pleats already. Now what do? I fold like this. Bring it from the back. Yeah, please let me hold here. So what I do, okay, so what I do is I arrange gradually. Yes, make sure you arrange very well, very neat. Then she holds it. Now you do this side also, you arrange. All right, so you arrange also, place your hand there. Now after arranging, this will be up. This one, the short one will come up. Just as you tie your both side, the short one will come up. Goes like this. Then you tie. Hey, you tie. You what? You tie. You what? You tie. Okay, now, so guys, now this is what we are trying to achieve. You widen it here. You widen it. Now, this is what we're trying to achieve. You see this long one here? We'll start picking it gradually. Watch. Start picking it gradually. You start pleating it gradually, gradually. See? You keep picking it gradually. See? Just keep picking it gradually, gradually. So this goes this way. Understand? So now, what do? We take here, we arrange it properly, we give us a bow tie shape, arrange it properly. See, we have arranged it properly. What do we do now? What do? We can pin it. This one, we pin it this way. Watch, pin it this way. So pin it this way. Okay. So we'll come forward. Alright, so guys, now we have arranged everything. We drag it to be of one. So see what we do. Now, see what we will do. We are not going to pin. What we're going to look for is the edge. Make sure it's straight, straight. Then you can arrange it so that now we're supposed to make a rose. Oh, the fabric is weak. So make a rose with pin. Make a rose with pin here. Now the way this thing is, we might decide to make it smaller, or decide to also make it bigger. Okay, now let me make this one smaller to see which one will go where. So guys, you can see this is another Gele style. This is another very unique Gele style. All you need to do is create your bow tie. After creating your bow tie, you do it this way. Now this is a 3 layer. What about... Alright guys, so we want to make a comparison. The 3 layer and the 2 layer. This 2 layer, I'm just going to make a food. I'm going to take little, or I'll take little, then make a food. See? Let me make a food. So take it, just hold the 2 years. Now this one you can see I don't want to make any pleats. So I will just arrange and tie. So let's see 2 layers now, and the 3 layer, which one comes out final. Is it tight? Tight, Abby? Yeah. Okay. So we have ended up tying it. So guys, this tie is very, 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 very unique. Okay. All right. So see what we do. You see this longer one now. See this longer one. What we do, see how it is. Start picking, start folding it gradually, 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 gradually till it gets to the end. Gradually, 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 gradually. Cut, gradually, gradually. Now, gonna arrange this now. You arrange it properly. Now, as you arrange it, most times can twist. Try to pin it downward. You get, just try to pin it downward. Just look for how to pin it very well so that it will be firm. And you see, now you will learn more of, you will know that the more you go, the more you pin. So now, this is it. This is the Gele. Drag both sides now. See how it is. Now, this is how it is. Now, this is why I said we will know the difference between the 3 layers and this. So now this one is going to come like this. You see? The difference in Gele is clear. Although the 2 layers stays well, now a stronger Gele or a Gele with good texture will stay better. That 3 layer was not having a good texture, which we all could see. So you see these two edges now, we'll pin it together. Please be careful with your clients. Not everybody likes pin. So this one also do the same thing. We just spread it. We just spread it. Now we have to spread it. Spread also, and you pin. Again. So you see, Abby, you can see this is also a style. Now let's make it relax. Let's make it relax. So it can come like this. Now assuming we pin, it can come like this. So guys, this is it.